Hello, Pranamda. My name is Natasha Gauthier. I'm a Canadian journalist and poet currently living in Cardiff, where I also run Tiger Bay Poetry. I'm going to read two poems for you. Both have recently been published in UK poetry journals, and I'm happy to share them with you. Skins. My mother had a handbag made from the skin of a female cobra her brother killed in the garden. No rick-ticking Kipling mongoose to protect her, just my fierce uncle, bantamweight in a stained banyan brandishing cricket bat and torch. Rain slid off the cambered hood, the lady's umbrella snapped shut. Red flickered in her blank black eye as the straight drive landed true. The thick whip stopped mid-strike. Her vast body, bulging coils in a bag double carried to the leathersmith, who stretched it like a family fib. Stuffed venom glands with satin. The tawny clutch appeared on high-heeled evenings only, slept in a nest of white tissue. The bright pince-nez mark watched from the laminated flap, traced by pink-fanged fingers, each time the mouth opened or closed with a satisfying click. The sound was a soft, hissing salute from one bloodsport queen to another. This one is called Oral Fixation, and it's based loosely on a true story, something that happened to me. Oral fixation. He declares I have Buddha ears, sends out a tentacling hand towards the nearest one as if he means to pluck it, pearl and oyster both, from the shoal of my head. The man at the bar of the Cafe Sarajevo, twice my age, tells me my long lobes are like two brown banyan pods, that this is a sure sign of being at one with the universe. He gifts me this patchouli nonsense along with a mojito that is too sweet and not cold enough. I have asked for neither. I am waiting for the jazz to start. My ears want to be at one with Mingus and Miles, to feel a jaggery bass line swirling warm inside their folds like peaty scotch. I do not need to look at him. My people were piano tuners and headmistresses. I was born with ears in the back of my head, and all of them, the ears of my ears, listen for the sound he makes when I take the soggy limes from the perspiring glass and wedge one into each bronze pinna bowl, perfumed offerings to my own temple.